located in Shenzhen, China. PartMfg is a dynamic custom manufacturer. We're experts in rapid prototyping and low-volume production for both plastic and metal parts. With over 15 years of experience, we proudly serve over 2,000 clients across more than 30 countries, from independent designers to leading industrial, commercial, medical, automotive, and aerospace companies. At PartMfg, we provide a full range of on-demand manufacturing services. From CNC machining, sheet metal fabrication, 3D printing, with no minimum order quantity, we make the process faster, easier, and more affordable for you. Whether it's a single prototype or thousands of parts, our team can respond quickly to your needs. With project management and fast DFM feedback, we resolve design issues, streamline manufacturing, and reduce costs. Once your order is confirmed, we follow a clear, efficient process for quick turnaround and top quality. At PartMfg, we strictly follow the ISO 9001 certified quality management system. With advanced inspection equipment, we control every step of production. From individual parts to full projects, from materials to machining processes. At PartMfg, we believe that quality is created, not inspected. We uphold standard and precise machining tolerances as your project required, and we offer a minimum machining radius of our 0.1 mm and surface roughness as fine as our 0.2 micrometer. At PartMfg, we also provide a range of post-finishing services and surface treatments. Whatever ultimate surface quality your project requires, we've got the finishing touches covered with precision and care. We complete over 200 projects and manufacture more than 20,000 parts each month. These parts are quickly shipped worldwide by DHL, UPS, FedEx, and others, ensuring fast delivery to meet your schedule. So if you want to move forward, we are always your trusted partner. Visit partmfg.com, upload your CAD models, and receive quality parts in days. Try PartMfg. Start your project now.